Penabur Primary, Kelapa Gading was established in the academic year of 2007 to 2008 and has expanded rapidly in recent years to now include about 458 students. Our vision is to become a Christian educational institution qualified in faith, knowledge and service. Our mission is to develop the students' best potential through qualified education and teaching based on Christian values.
Hi, my name is Richard from Class P5B. I love my school because my school teaches me to learn more about God through daily devotion and Christian education lesson. I enjoy being in the school because I have a lot of friends who I can play with and I can study with, and I also have teachers who care about me. The school also have extracurricular activities. I chose graphic design because I want to practice editing pictures. The school also organized a fun field trip for me and my friends so we can have fun. I'm proud to be a student of Penabur Primary. Thank you and God bless you.
Penabur Primary, Kalapa Gading works in partnership with families and churches by offering a Christ-centered education which encourages the fullest possible development of the spiritual, academic, physical and social characteristics of each child. The school achieves its mission by offering a comprehensive academic program delivered in a climate of strong Christian values supported by an effective character program. Penabur Primary, Kalapa Gading is designed to meet the needs of leading students by implementing a UK-based curriculum to help our students become global and productive citizens. Our school offers an internationally recognized UK-based standard curriculum through the Cambridge Primary Programme, with Pearson EdXL as a learning support.
On behalf of BPK PENABUR International, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to the International Primary School in Kelapa Gading. My name is Philip Myers. I'm the head of school in the International Division. I'm delighted to see your interest in our school. I hope you will discover over the next few moments how great this school is. When you join the Penabur family, you join a lively, challenging, diverse, and warm community. God bless.